everyone, Amanda here. I'm just coming to share some happy mail, and it's just my way of showing massive appreciation when people send me things. I've got two sets to show you. I've got this one that's come from my lovely friend Helen Chandler, who's a very, very special lady who I was lucky enough to meet through my time with Stampin' Up, and she's just really, really a special lady. I love her to pieces, and she sent me this lovely happy mail. I wasn't expecting anything. And that's the joy of happy mail, isn't it, when you're not expecting it. So I opened it and I did just see the box and the pens, and I know it's from Helen because it says it on the, on the envelope. So look what she sent me. She's these are new to me, Nuvo Aquaflow. So it says they are brush tip watercolour pens, so I'll be having a go with those. I know Helen's really into the Tonic Studios kind of line of things at the moment, amongst other stuff. I think she's experimenting with all sorts, so she must have had these extra or surplus to requirement maybe, or maybe she's just gifted them. I think she does like a subscription. I'll be having a go with those, and those colours are perfect for journaling, aren't they? It says Autumn Woodland, so thank you, that's very kind of you to give me those. And then here we've got some words, and these are awesome, and I will be able to use these as well in my journaling. We've got just for you, hello, thanks, sending hugs, with love, thinking of you, congratulations, happy birthday. So that says Creative Stamps, creativedesigns.co.uk. So those are lovely, and I love that cursive. So yeah, be able to use them on my thank you cards as well. I really like those. Thank you, Helen, that's really thoughtful. And then she's I think this is an upcycled box. She's put my name on, and she's cut out some lovely hearts, and then here we've got a die cut. It's beautiful. It says create the life you love. It's beautiful, really lovely, and I'm loving these colours and all the flowers. So let's just have a look. Ah, look at that. It does say on it somewhere, yeah, Paper Craft Society. So I think this is a box she's got a subscription in maybe, and she's reused it. It's beautiful, and inside it says to be creative is to put a little piece of your heart into each project. How cool's that? So let's see what she's sent me. Ooh, I love Helen's. Ooh, yes. I was like, I hope she sends me some handmade, because she makes beautiful things. So what's this? Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow. Slide off. Ah, look at that. Yeah, clever monkey. What's this? Oh look, those are like little tickets. Look, all the layers on there. So that's obviously like a die cut, and it's all layered up, and then so we've got this box that slides in. That's beautiful, and that paper's lovely as well. And then on here it says create the life you love again, and it's a black, like a little mini album. Oh wow, that is, ooh, got stuff dropping out of it. That maybe probably goes in there. Oh wow, this just, ugh. Everything Helen makes has always got loads and loads of a little detail. She's done me here. Let's have a look. What does this say? I can see my name on there. Oh, that's it. Have you seen that? It's like a faux a Master of Arts in your chosen subject. Admitted to the degree of Master of Arts and the affordable rights and privileges. That's brilliant. Ah, that's funny. Thank you. That's really cool. I like that. And we've got some little tags in there as well. Got to be careful with Helen, because she puts little hidden messages in things, so you've got to check every little thing that she makes, because she's a monkey for doing little letters and little things, and then you sometimes can miss it. Well, this paper's beautiful. Don't know what paper this is. I'm going to have to ask her. Look at those. That's lovely. Can you see? Oh wow. Little belly band there with some little tags. Does that open? No. A little envelope. Oh, it's just beautiful. Look at that. That is just lovely, and I think it must be like a die set that she's made this from. Look at all that detail there. That is just stunning. And then these hold more little tags here, and you've got these beautiful pages. This paper's beautiful. So you could put your photos in it. Oh wow. Just lovely. Did that go like that? Or did it go like that? Yeah. And I love these little smaller flips as well. Maybe that goes in one of them. I'm going to put it in there. How beautiful is this? More little tags. More little flips for you to put little things in. More little tags. Oh wow, it is really, really lovely. How beautiful is that? So much detail in there. That is absolutely gorgeous, and it goes back in that box, and that will sit on my shelf. I've got a collection of things that people have sent me and made me, and that will go on my shelf in pride of place, will that. Let me just get it back in, and that just fits beautifully. Thank you, Helen, as always. Absolutely outstanding work. What we got here? Oh, she's proper spoilt me, hasn't she? Look at these. What's this? Nouveau glitter. Let's look at that. Got like a diamond on. Oh, it's like glitter glue. Oh, perfect. Oh, thank you. Kind of you to share these with me. What's these? Silver petals. Oh, they're like little Are they sealed? Oh, I don't want to open it. It's sealed. But they're like little diamante leaves. Leaf-shaped. Nouveau. I've not got any Nouveau products. So these are lovely. Oh, I like those. Oh, these are lovely. Rose triads. Thank you. Oh, I love these, and I will use those. Oh, look at those. Those are pretty. Rose gold. Pure sheen sequins. Those are lovely. I love these cute little jars as well. What's these? They're like little... They look like little shells. What does it say they are? Pearl rectangles. So they're pearlised. Those are just beautiful. I will use those. Thank you. I have got a very fine tip glue pen that I can use for those. So that's very kind of you, Helen. Thank you. Spoilt me a bit there. Bless you. Thank you. Oh, what's this? Papercraft Society organza ribbon. So she must have bought like a subscription box, and she's sharing some of the things that she's been getting with me. How kind's that? What's this? Oh, it must be a paper craft kit that she's given me. Oh, she must have got me a complete kit. I thought she'd shared some other stuff. This must be like a complete kit then. And she's added the album to it. Oh, blimey, thank you. How kind's that? Crafter's Companion include fair usage post. That's lovely. Oh, how kind. Look at this. Ooh, what's this paper? Either it's a complete kit or she's just put that in for me for Angel Policy. I'm not quite sure, but look at these. Wow, these are lovely. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff here. Thank you, Helen. Oh, wow. Ah, look, that's what she's made her album out of. This one. Vintage Days. I'm sure that's what the album's made from. Yeah, I think it is. Let's have a look. So she sent me some of this. Beautiful papers, these. So like I say, I'm not sure if she's got the complete subscription kit or if she's put together and shared what she's been gifted. I'm not 100% sure, if I'm honest. But, oh, look at these. Oh. Oh. Every single one of those is beautiful. Oh wow. Look at that. Yum. Those are beautiful. I'll have to make something nice out of that. How lucky am I? What the heck? And then what's these little cutouts? Stamperia, these. Ah, let's have a look. Oh, they're like chipboard elements. Ooh, look at these. Treasure. Oh, I like these. These are lovely. So these are Stamperia. What's this? Preserved memories. Oh, wow, that's cute, isn't it? I like that. A smile costs nothing but gives much. And then we've got some scissors. That is lovely. What a lovely, lovely gift. Fantastic. Lovely items. Send them off. Bless you, Helen. What a lovely, lovely gift to send. I'm a little bit overawed. Thank you. That is very, very kind and generous to send me all of those beautiful goodies, and all perfect, all completely and utterly up my street, and this is just absolutely divine. So thank you. I can't even copy it because I don't have those dies. So can't even rob your idea, but that is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm going to go put all these little jars on my little workstation, and I'll be using those and having a go with these pens. So thank you, Helen. That is really, really kind of you. I'm ever so grateful. Right, ladies and gents, I best get crafting. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye for now.